like I'm feeling like a man. Lately, can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fan, yeah.
Hey MB crew, Mona B here. I haven't said that in so long. Hey MB crew, make sure you guys turn on your post notifications, subscribe to the channel, like this video so that I know to do more of these, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Mona X Banks. So, I have been under the weather for over a week. No, I'm not posting this for sympathy, but I have been sick, you guys. I've been really sick, and I'm finally starting to get up and really move around. And I thought that I would share with you guys my sick, get ready with me routine, what I do when I'm not feeling my best, because I tend to neglect, you know, my self-care when I don't feel good. And last week, that's what I did, was neglect myself. And I'm not going to do that the rest of the week. I'm going to get up and make sure I'm doing my routine. So, as y'all know, let me show y'all him. Come here. I have a little poochie that's blending in with the wall because he's so bright. This is my poochie. So I have a dog. I already took care of him, took him out, fed him. So now it is time for me to focus on me. Period. It's going to be like a talk through. I may speed up some parts so it's not too long. But I'm going to go ahead and use this baby inhaler. And I saw people using it on TikTok. Now, I have been to the doctor. So I have medicine and all of that. For those of you that's going to be like, oh my gosh. Yes, I've been to the doctor, honey. I have medicine. And I'm going to take that at some point in this video. But anyway. So, I've been seeing people use this on TikTok. I was like, I'm going to try it. And y'all, this thing really works. It's for babies. But this is so fire. It's called a Boogie. It has a micro mist saline inhaler. And this has really been working really good for me. Period. And you just twist it, like you set it up. It looks like this. This is the front. And I'm about to use it. And you just twist it. And you breathe it in. And it clears your nasal pathogens. I can't even talk. I'm sounding really congested. So I need this. It opens up your passageways. I'm telling you. Even though it's for babies, it says for all ages, and it works, y'all. Uh-oh. It says you're supposed to do it for 1 to 5 minutes. I'm going to do it a little bit longer. Love this thing. Especially when I first wake up, because now I feel like I can breathe. So, that was cool for me. So, don't sleep on it. But now that I'm done with that, I can breathe better. So let's head to the bathroom. Excuse me if I'm breathing hard. Y'all know how I be. Now that I'm in the bathroom, I'm going to brush my teeth. And I use the Pro Enamel. Been using this for years. My favorite. Doesn't have sugar. Great for, you know, the acid erosion that we get from eating all of the foods. So I'm going to brush my teeth off camera because I think that's a little strange to brush your teeth on camera. Y'all. Okay, so now that my teeth are brushed and I'm feeling fresh and clean, I'm going to go in with this oral rinse. I haven't been using it long. Hopefully y'all can see it. But it's supposed to be like natural. So, yeah, I'm going to use this. I don't know if it's because I don't feel good, but like when I don't feel good, stuff tastes weird, and that tastes weird today, and I'm just not really feeling it. This tastes weird today. Whatever. Anywho, so I decided that I want to do this face mask because I have been neglecting my skin. And I tend to do that when I don't feel good. I just neglect myself. So, before I get in the shower, I'm already brushed my teeth. I'm feeling fresh, you know, fresh and so clean, okay? I'm gonna mix up this mask, and then I'm gonna get in the shower because I want it to be cold when I put it on or whatever. So, let's do it. So, on TikTok, I saw Lori Harvey. Now, I don't follow her or keep up. I just randomly saw her TikTok that she's making TikToks now. and she was putting Greek yogurt on her face as a mask to help with her acne scarring. If you've been watching me for a long time, you know I have a ton of acne scarring. I done cleared it up and it came back. I done cleared it up. It's just a never-ending cycle. But anywho, so I have some Green Wise organic Greek yogurt, and she was using Greek yogurt. So, but I'm going to take mine to another step. I'm going to take mine to another level, and I'm going to add some turmeric in, and I'm going to mix it in this bowl. I just kept y'all in the bathroom because I don't feel like moving this camera all around. Like, I really don't. So, I'm going to bust this open. Greek yogurt. We all know what the Greek yogurts look like. Caviar loves this. So I'm going to put some in my bowl. Y'all, he smell it. Son, I'm going to give you some after I get out the shower. Okay? So, I have my Greek yogurt. I did like 2 big tablespoons. Oh, I should have did the turmeric first. Oh well, I'm not using another spoon. Okay, so I'm sure y'all all know what turmeric looks like. And turmeric is really good for acne scarring. I used to use this on my acne scars. But once I seen that you could use the yogurt for your acne scar, and I read that some people mix theirs with the turmeric, that's going to be bomb. Because they say it really does help clear acne scarring. So, I'm going to give myself this little mask. I'm gonna try to do it like at least 2 times a week. And see what type of results I get. But I've cleared my acne scars up. It's just I've been really lazy in my skincare routine, to be honest. Because if you have acne prone skin, you know how exhausting it is. And I cleared my skin, then I've fallen off the bandwagon. And now I'm trying to get back right. I bet you could eat this. Look how yellow it is. But yeah, I've seen people mix theirs with, I'm not going to add no honey because I know people saying they put honey in theirs, but I don't know. I'm just going to do this. Yeah, see? And I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. Alright, you guys. So now I am getting out of the shower. I had a great shower. And so I'm going to go ahead and start my care now. So I'm getting me a cotton round. So from the brand The Ordinary, I'm going to apply some of this glycolic acid toning solution onto the cotton round. And then I'm going to rub that under my armpits. And this helps with you not smelling musty. And it really, really works. But you just have to use it consistently. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply some Aquaphor all over my body. You know, I did my other half of my body off camera. So I'm just applying everything, you know, massaging it in, getting moisturized. Now I'm going to start my skincare routine. Now all the items that I will be using will be in the description box because I do use a lot of items. So I'm just going to go ahead and start off with my cleanser. And I like to massage that in my skin really, really well. It also helps with keeping the acne away if you like actually really massage your cleanser in really, really well. Take time, at least like a minute to do it or longer. And then I'm going to take my white washcloth with some warm water and I'm going to wipe that off of my face. And next I'm going to go in with the mask that we made earlier in the video. And I'm using this brush to apply it. I went ahead and apply it. I had to moisturize my lips because they was feeling a little dry. And I did leave this mask on until it completely dried. It took about 15 minutes, I would say, to completely dry. And this is what it looks like once it is dry, you guys. So, yeah. I'm just going to take another washcloth and I'm going to use some warm water to completely wipe it off my face. And I do completely let my face dry between applying things. So now I'm just going to go in with my toner and just tone my face a bit. You don't necessarily have to do this, but it's a part of my routine. I like to do it. And then I'm going to take this serum from The Ordinary, and this helps with like acne scars. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that on my face. It doesn't bother your skin or anything like that. I'll go in with my daytime moisturizer, And my skin is actually doing really well. I don't have much acne. I only have like 2 bumps, so that's good. I'm just trying to clear my acne scarring. But you want to make sure you moisturize your face really, really well. I'm going to go in with a little bit of deodorant, not much, because y'all know I use the toner. You really don't have to use deodorant, but I just like to still use a little bit. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply sunscreen. This is very important when you're trying to fade your acne scarring. You want to protect yourself from the sun rays. So I'm just applying that. That is my current skincare routine. So yeah, so now I'm just drinking me some water because I was like really thirsty. And now I'm going to go ahead and put on my little lounge gear. I like to look cute even though I'm going to be at home. And I really like this Plant Mom shirt that I got from Target. And the shorts are actually from Shein. So yeah, I still want to look good even though I'm going to be just lounging around the house. But I want to be comfy. So I'm going to work on this head of mine. So it's pretty moisturized. I'm just putting a little bit of oil on my little soft spot in the front of my head that likes to fall out. And I'm using these leggings, and I'm going to go ahead and create a turban. I like using leggings because the material is really, really sturdy. And then I'm going to take some even edge control, and I'm just going to go ahead and lay, you know, my edges down. You don't have to do this if you don't want your edges to be exposed, but I like mine to be exposed out of my turban. I like to spruce up myself because it makes me feel a lot better instead of just laying around looking bummy. So I'm going to go ahead and get all my stuff together. So that's applesauce, some water, an immunity shot, and my daily devotion in my notebook. And I'm just going to go ahead and get started on that. So I'm starting off with applesauce because I wasn't able to like keep any food in my system. So yeah, I'm trying to clear everything up. So I'm just eating lightly, which is some applesauce to start me off for the day. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this immunity shot. I love these. I get them from Publix if you have a Publix in your area. And yeah, they're really sour, but I do like them. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my medicine from my doctor to help clear up what I'm dealing with. And I'm just going to drink that with some water. And then next, I'm going to start on my daily devotion. This is the TD Jakes one about destiny. I really like this one. It's so inspiring. And I like to go ahead and write down what I'm going to be reading about because it helps me retain the information. And I also like to highlight key points that stand out to me. This particular daily devotion was about taking risks so you can get to your destiny and to the next level and not being a prisoner within your own mind because people may have been negative towards you. You don't have to hold on to that. You can break free of that and yeah, get to your destiny. So that's what it was about. Say thank you for watching my mommy's sick morning routine that she does, or sick routine. Say thank you. Tell them thank you to the butt. To my best pal. So, usually when I'm done with my routine, you guys, so you're not going to do right. I sit here with my pal, my little pal, and we'll hang out or I'll play with him. Of course, it'll be time for him to go on another walk soon. So, we'll definitely go outside soon. I'm going to finish my applesauce, but I just want to leave you guys with this. Whenever you are struggling in life, down, sick, or whatever the case may be, make sure you guys are taking care of yourself first. You have to put yourself first in all situations. Of course, put God first. And then after that, make sure you are putting yourself first because that is very important because if you don't take care of yourself, nobody else will take care of yourself. If you do not take care of your mental state or your well-being, nobody else will do that for you. So it's very important for you to get the help that you need, but to also love on yourself and be very kind to yourself. And that is what I am focusing on as I heal and get better. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this routine that I do when I do not feel good. I like to take care of myself, and today I wanted to pamper myself because I have been neglecting that part because I was like down sick. But this week I'm going to try to get up and move around a lot more and get back into the groove of things so that I can feel better. I feel so rejuvenated from that face mask. It felt amazing. And yes, you guys. So just make sure you guys are loving on yourself, taking care of yourself. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.